Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome. So watch till the end, okay? So please also don't forget to thumbs up the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button and please share this video. Drop your questions at my website. The link will be at my comment section. Alright guys, let's dive into the video. So we're going to be needing extra virgin olive oil to tighten the sagging breast. Now what olive oil does to the boobs is that it gets into the skin of the boobs and then it's tighten it up. It also helps in closing a large and open pores, and it is great for slowing down aging and removing fine lines, okay? And also we're going to be making use of Vaseline, which is petroleum jelly. Now this is great for the skin because it retains the skin moisture. It leaves the skin glowing. With the help of olive oil combined with Vaseline, it will therefore help in tightening up the loose and sagging boobs. And also we're going to be needing fenugreek seeds. Okay, fenugreek seed is a natural remedy to increase the boob size, and it also helps in contrasting the skin, removing age-related problems. It also great in firming up and tightening up the boobs, okay? And we're just going to be making use of black seeds, okay? These seeds are actually very tiny and black, you can see that. Combining black seed alongside with fenugreek seed will work so effective in firming up and tightening up a loose and sagging boobs, and it will also help to increase the boobs in size. It will therefore help in removing aging, wrinkles, fine lines and pigments. So guys, for the fenugreek seeds, we're going to be blending it, guys. So I'm going to be pouring in that into the blender. And also for the black seeds, I'm going to be taking some of that. That should be about half tablespoon of black seed. Now I would love to blend this, okay, and then I will be right back. Alright, so here's the blended black seeds and fenugreek seed. Although it's not actually properly like blended to smooth level, but it's quite okay and it's gonna go well, okay? So I'm gonna be transferring all of that into this bowl. Alright, so here is the powder. Although if you can blend yours to be very smooth, it will be much ideal to do that, okay? Now we're just gonna be putting in the Vaseline, okay? So you're gonna be putting in half tablespoon of the Vaseline. And now the olive oil. Alright, so let's mix this first so we don't have too liquid consistency. Alright, so I think we're going to be needing about 3 tablespoons of the olive oil in this. Alright guys, so you have to mix so that the Vaseline also can mix with this. Alright, so we're going to also be needing vitamin E oil or vitamin E capsule. So any of the two you can lay your hand on. You should make use of it, guys. Okay, so for this you don't actually need too much of it. So I'm going to be putting just a little, about half teaspoon of that is going to be okay. Now, because vitamin E is a great remedy and it contains a lot of nutrients that would help so much in firming up and tightening up the boobs. Okay, so now you're just going to mix this. Now, if you have a very small blender, you can put in again into a blender and blend it really well so it can be properly blended. All right, it shouldn't be like a scrub, but it should be blended really well. Hey guys, good morning. All right, so here's the treatment for tightening up your saggy boobs. Oops, really nice. Okay, so what you do is that you just grab it this way, yeah, and then you apply it onto your boobs. Okay, and then you would be rubbing it through your boobs, like you have to rub it through your boobs all over. Okay, like rub everywhere. All right, so that's what I mean, but I'm actually just gonna be showing you at this end, okay, just to tell you guys how important and how effective, very effective this is. Okay, so yes, it's actually not something you have to like finish for one day. So you rub it through, and then what you do after you've actually applied this, you have to, you know, sleep with it, or you stay with it, because it's actually it's not going to be like a scrub. That's why I'm going to be telling you, when you want to do it, when you want to mix it, you have to blend it very well so that it will be properly blended. Okay, now after that you you massage all over your boobs really well, and then you can put on your bra or something, anything that would actually hold your boobs really tight. All right, so after you've actually done that, you don't have to worry. It's not something you have to like clean off. Maybe the next day if you want to bathe, then you can just wash it off, so you could apply a new one. All right, so that's basically how you're gonna be using this. Then you can actually store it. And so for this remedy, you're going to store it. Now you can store it as long as you want, so you can as well make in large quantities, so you can store it because it's not going to go bad. Mixing all of this natural remedy with oil. Okay, we're mixing the fenugreek and black seed oil with black seed and the oil. It's not going to make it go bad, so you can store it as long as you want. Then you have to and should use it at most 5 times in a week. Okay, so basically that's it, guys. Using olive oil on the skin basically helps you to glow. It tightens up, so use that and you're not going to regret it at all. Okay, so that's it. If you did love the video, don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button and please share this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and